Hello, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can save TikTok videos if the save video option isn't available. Let's suppose the content creator or the person who uploaded the video has disabled the feature while uploading the video on TikTok. So you want to download it anyway. So how are you going to do it without using any third-party application to download their video on your phone? So basically what you need to do is you need to head to the video that you need to download. So let's suppose I'm gonna go click here, and as you can see this video, it is available to save, but let's suppose if this button isn't available, so how am I gonna do it? If I scroll to the right, you're gonna see that there is an option called live photo. If I click on live photo, it's gonna capture that video which we have on our screen, and it's gonna show converting into live photo, and then it's going to save it in your device gallery. Now if you go into your device gallery, you would see that video as a live photo here, and on the left top corner you would see an option of saying live. Click on that option on the top right corner, the three dots, and what you need to do is save as video. The option, you need to click on that option, and once you click on it, it'll give it a process depending on the length of the video and the processing speed, and then it's gonna convert it into a video. The only downside of this feature is that you will lose the audio of that footage, but you can still use it as a video. So this is pretty much how you can download any video from TikTok without using any third-party application. So this is how you can do it. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next one. Peace.